We're going to continue this series. I'm just helping you guys just target those things that affect your credit score. If you check my previous video, we talked about your payment history and your credit utilization, and those two together account for 65% of your credit usage. We're going to go through 2 more points today. And my third point would be that your credit length plays a major part, and that's like how long you had credit, how old are your accounts, how old is your oldest account, how old is your youngest account, and all those things play a part as well, because the bureaus and creditors want to see how well you manage your money and how can you do it over a length of time. Now, that only accounts for 15% of your overall FICO score, but it's very important. Like some people, they don't have any credit, but that doesn't do them any good, because you can't show any proof or history that you have established trust with an organization or something for them to give you a good or service and for you to pay that on time. So that accounts for 15%, and then you have credit mix, and that only accounts for 10%. Most people, who are very well established financially, they'll have a variety of mixes of credit in their portfolio. They'll have maybe car loans, mortgage loans, student loans, and things of that nature, credit cards. But it will show that even having all of these bills, and they're making their money, and they're staying in control, and they're able to manage and pay all these bills on time. So you have the length of your credit history, and then you have the mix. It's not going to do you no good if you just only have a $500 credit card on your credit history for the last 10 years, right? They're not going to trust you with a home loan or an auto loan or something, or even like maybe, if you want to do a personal loan to take care of some personal matters. Credit is important. It's important, and we don't think about it when we're young. A lot of us, we were going to college, or we were just living our lives. We got married young, whatever the case may be. But now is the time you can take control of your finances, and you can live the life that you want to live. And also, I just want to add it. I recently joined FES, and as you can see on the date here, that's 7/21/2020. The company gets results. I'm getting results for some of my clients, and they're getting results for me as well. I can show you the last, as you can see right here, I think yes. You can see my investigation results that it has been deleted. And you just have to take action. I simply took action. The letters were sent to me. I signed them, mailed them off. The credit bureaus are returning them back to me, deleted. All is well. All is fine. You have to take action if you want to get out of your financial situation or your financial rut, or if you just want to have a better credit history, or you just want to have upstanding credit. It all starts with taking action. So like I said before, just subscribe to this channel down here in the link below. If you have any information, you can always email me. You can message me here on this video, but take action. Take action today. Don't sit and wait. And most of y'all, we're all at home, with the coronavirus and things like that. Man, take action. Use whatever avenues that are available to you to be able to take control of your finances. Peace.